COVID-19 changed the way we live. A mask and self-hygiene products must be used whenever we go in order to protect ourselves from contracting the virus. Surgical masks are needed by those who work on the front line in battling COVID-19. However, because of its limited supply and high demand, the price for surgical masks soars. Thus, people tend to try to use different masks such as cloth masks, which is cheaper and can be reused by washing. Thus, it does not create a lot of waste like surgical masks do. Despite its advantages of comfort and eco-friendliness, cloth masks are not as effective as surgical masks to filter out COVID-19 because the pores has diameter of 5 micrometers. So there needs to be a way to upgrade cloth masks to have the same level of effectiveness as surgical masks. So welcome CAMA, a carbon-activated filter mask as an effective, comfortable, and eco-friendly way to protect people from COVID-19. CAMA is a 3-layered mask. It has the front cloth, the filter inside, and the back cloth. At first, let us focus only on the front cloth and the carbon filter. The cartridge is slid inside the cloth mask as the main COVID-19 protector. The front cloth goes the same with the back cloth as a typical pore diameter of 5 micrometers, which is not effective to block out coronavirus. However, the carbon filter inside, having nanopores of 50 nanometers, can do the job. When we use CAMA, coronavirus, which has a size of 160 nanometers, goes through the front cloth easily. However, the cartridge blocks the virus from coming inside our respiratory system due to its smaller pore, making CAMA much more effective than regular cloth masks. When we breathe out humid air, and usually the humid air gets trapped inside the mask, making the air we breathe feels heavier. However, when we use CAMA, the humid air can be trapped by the carbon active filter, making the air we breathe feels fresher, thus making the mask more comfortable. Lastly, using CAMA, cloth masks can be reused, and people only need to dispose the carbon filter, which is a lot cheaper, takes up smaller room, and 100 times easier to be decomposed in soil compared to surgical masks with the same effectiveness. Not to mention, the carbon filter is made from cassava peel waste that are usually thrown away. This means CAMA is an eco-friendly mask. So let's battle COVID-19 together while not harming the environment. CAMA, protecting people, protecting the ecosystem.